How do you run a Facebook ad successfully and even get results in website clicks and sales? Let me share with you what are the best strategies you need to apply. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we focus on social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. The first thing you need to think of when creating a Facebook ad and applying it to your business is what action people will take when they will be seeing that ad. Many will probably click on it and go to your website to check out your products, especially if your brand is one that they've seen before, but I can assure you most of them would rather stay on Facebook for a little while longer, especially if it's the first time seeing your product or your brand being advertised. So that means they will either scroll through your ad or they will go and check out your Facebook page. Now, if your Facebook page for your brand, for your business, doesn't have a profile cover, doesn't have a profile image, has 0 followers or likes, doesn't have a description, a website link attached to it, people will click off it and they will think of your brand as one that is not established and as one that they shouldn't trust. That is why it is so important to optimize your Facebook page for business. Now, to do that, create a branded profile image for your page. I suggest one that includes your logo. Add a cover image that you've designed for your Facebook page. You can use Canva for that. It is super easy. They have a bunch of templates there. And add as many details about your business as possible, as well as your business story on your Facebook page. Now, you will also need to post daily, be active, grow your following and likes, and have engagement on your page from real customers, as well as have some reviews. You can have new likes come to your page every single day, have new followers by inviting first your friends and family to like your page, and then by advertising the page as well. You can also join Facebook groups that are related to your page. And in this video right here, I share a bunch more tips about how to grow your Facebook page for your business organically. So be sure to watch that as well. The same tips that I'm sharing in this video go out for Instagram ads as well if you're also sharing this ad on Instagram. So if you want to know how to optimize your Instagram account for business, make sure to watch this video right here. Now, once your page is optimized, you are ready to create your ad and post it to Facebook and Instagram. But what should your ad be and what should it look like? Let's see. First, you'll need to think of the product that you want to advertise and what it is, or if it's a collection of products, you will need to think what products will go in that collection. Next, choose your best pieces of content that you have created for that specific product, whether those are studio photos, model photos, or even videos. You can also create unique graphics for ads, such as these ones that I created in Canva. You also have templates for that in Canva, so make sure to click the link below and start your free trial with Canva today and create special images that will go really well for your ads and that people will want to click on. Once you have the content ready, it is now time to create and publish the ad. For that, go to business.facebook.com, go to ads, click on get started, choose a goal for your ad such as get more website visitors or get more sales. Then start by filling out the ad description. Choose a medium length one because nobody will read too much about your product first. Instead, try and get as much information about your product as possible in your content that you're adding. And include a call to action. This is also very important. For example, our new jewelry collection helps you build elegance within your minimal outfit. Check out our new collection on our website today. Then add up to 5 slides of high quality content for your product. Choose your ad headline, something such as minimal, elegant jewelry for women, and then pick shop now as the button label and add your website link that people will go to when clicking on that ad. Now you will need to choose your audience, so the people that will see this ad on their Facebook profile or when scrolling through Facebook. Your target audience will also need to have a location. So if you only ship to the US, for example, make sure to choose that region for your target audience. Lastly, choose the ad payment method and choose your budget, so how much you want to be spent per day, and you will see in the right side of the screen how many people will be shown this ad for the amount that you've chosen. And of course, choose where you want your ad to be placed on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. If you want to first just experiment with an ad, choose Facebook first, and then later on you can also choose Instagram and Messenger, and then you can click promote now. Now you will need to check the ad consistently and see how it's performing and if it's beneficial for your business or not. So make sure you're always experimenting with ads before putting too much money in if it doesn't bring you enough traffic. So there you go. This is how you create and publish your first Facebook ad or your first Instagram ad as well. If you've enjoyed this video and you found these tips useful, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content weekly. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia Success for more content on social media marketing and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video.